This is the video for the truck game. Down here in the blue note box it says, a truck route goes from city A to city B and then to city C. The truck can hold 20 pallets. There are 18 requests for service. Each has a city, pallet count, and profit. Well, here are 18 boxes for those services. First one says it's going to go to city A. It's going to be 7 pallets on the truck, and your profit will be $336. The object of the game is to maximize the profit without ever having over 20 pallets on the truck. There is a box for each city that shows the number of pallets going in the city and out of the city. Here are the boxes for each city, city A, city B, and city C, and it will show the number of pallets coming in and out of each city. The in value cannot exceed 20. The out value must be included with the total going to the next city. For instance, I see down here this set of 8 pallets is going to city C. So if I click on it, it's going to show here that 8 went into city A, and 8 came out of A. 8 then stayed on the truck and were in to city B, then they went out to city B, and finally they ended up here in city C. Nothing is on the truck after city C. There are 100 games, 0 to 99. Well, this is game 0. I could click here and say game 99, and the 18 boxes down here change. I'm going to change it back to game 0. Then it says, click on next below to go to another note. Alright, I'm going to click on next. Now it says to select a box for service, click on it. Its color will change and its pallet count will go to the city named. Well, let's click on the first one. It says 7 are going to A. I clicked on it, its color changed, and it says 7 went into A. None of the 7 went out. Click the box again to remove it from service. I'll click it again. It removed it. If an in total is greater than 20, it will be shown in red. Well, I see how I can make an in total greater than 20. I'm going to take 5, 8, and another 8. That's 21. So here it shows it in red. So we'll take it back away. The program builds a solution. It will be shown if you click on Toggle Work Profit. Well, here it says, click here to toggle work profit. I'll click on toggle. Now the work profit shows up. It says the program calculated that the best answer is these with the black oval in them. That's showing what was selected to make the work profit. And over here in the city boxes, it shows 20 going in to A, 5 going out, a total of 19 coming into B, none going out, and a total of 20 coming into C, and that the work profit, that's adding up all these with the black oval, is $3,676. Your profit will be shown in blue. The work profit will be shown in black, and see the black ovals and in and out values. Okay, we see the black ovals and the in and out values. To change the game, enter a different game number. We saw how to do that. The new game will start with no services. See, right now, we could put an answer in here. Let's just go until we get a number in there. Okay, we have 20. Going into A, that's a valid answer. Let's come down here to B. Whoa, we already have 14. Because you see, we had 9 coming out of A, and another 5 makes 14. Best I think I can do now is maybe make 19 there. Alright, now I can go to my city C that has 5 coming in. I'll say another 4. I got 9. I got 14. And here I have a 6. I can make it 20. Alright, I just got a solution of 3 that has a profit of 3,507. Well, you see the work profit is better than that. It has a higher number, so the computer wins. Well, it says here, this game is not easy. The computer does it because it can do the math really quickly. Well, I can click on back here in the note box and we go back to the first note. Now I'm going to click on program to show you the program that's running this. This is the program screen. The engine that executes this game is also the engine that created this game. This engine is being run by your browser. It allows you to make changes to this game, or you can create your own game. On the left, you can see the instruction listing for the main program of this game. Here is that instruction listing. On the right is a list of all the programs for this game. Well, the main program, it says, is called Truck Game. Then there's a sub-program. Number 1 is Find the Work Profit. Sub-program number 2 is to display the game and find your profit. On the top right, in the blue boxes here, are program options. Execute the program, save the application, create an application, all the things you need to do as options to build your program. Down below here are the brown boxes. They have supporting functions and information you will need to build your program. Below that is a list of YouTube videos that will tell you how to build an application. And then below that, it has example routines that you can view, change, and copy. This, in fact, will run an app that will show you a lot of examples. And below that, there are a list of HTML5 P-code YouTube videos. Here are a bunch of videos that will explain how to do these things. Like the first one talks about these instruction lines, and the second one, the different parts of an instruction line. Well, now I'm going to go up here and click on Execute the Application. Now we're back to the app screen where the program is displayed. On the bottom of it, first you see here it says Start App. If you create an application, it will ask you to save it under one of these letters. Then you can come here and run it at any time. what you might want to do is make changes to this program. Come down on the other side. It'll show you how to save it, and here you can excuse me, load it. Also at the bottom here is a list of HTML5 code apps. For instance, there's bakery, blackjack, box delivery, colorful, craps, and many more, and more get added all the time. Alright, this is the end of the video on the truck game.